Okay, if I've got my timing right, this video should be coming out and it's the beginning of 2024. So the first thing I want to say to you is Happy New Year. Let's make 2024 the best year you possibly can. And so that's what I want to do in this video is I want to set you for success. I just want to walk through a thinking tool that I use with the Accountant Success Formula that you can do for yourself. So get your pens and papers out. Let's figure this out, okay? So what I want to do is I want to talk about your 2024 and what I know and what I have experienced over my last 53 years on this planet is that if I don't write down my goals and they're not measurable, I can't manage it. I can't get there. So all I want you to do is think about this for 2024 and say, okay, for 2024, what do I want? And I want to really get simple on this. Your three freedoms. Those are the three things I want to talk about. Money, clients, and time. Those are your three things. So on a piece of paper for 2024, I want you to paste it down and go, here's what I want. What do I want for money? How much money do you want to make this year? Okay? Write that down. And the second one is clients. Okay? And I put two things. There's two things. There's quantity and quality. So I want to say quantity, how many clients? How many clients do you want to serve? Okay? And quality. So when I'm saying quality clients, what kind of quality, and you can write out a little bit more here, is I want you to think about, I want to do this kind of work with clients. So for example, you might go, I just want to do advisory services, or I just want to do tax planning, or I just want to do this. I don't want to do these other things. Like even better is putting down the things you don't want to do, the quality of work you're doing, and saying, I want to stop doing this in 2024. Like I personally, I stopped doing bookkeeping in my accounting firm because I don't like bookkeeping. I think it's the lowest value on the value curve, and I don't like it. So I got rid of it. Your firm, you take control of it. So I'm not telling you not to do them. You do whatever you want, but I want you to take back control. It's all about you taking back control. So put down, what do you want to do for quality? So for clients, quantity and quality. And then the last thing I want you to do is write down time. And so in I like to break it down into two things. It's like, okay, for your work week, how many days a week do you want to work? Right? For me, when I had my accounting practice and I had it all dialed in, I was literally going into the office 2 days a week, Tuesdays and Thursdays. And then Mondays and Wednesdays, I kind of worked from home. It was remote. And then Fridays, I took off. So for me, I put 4 days a week. That's all I wanted to work. Right? For you, it could be 3 days a week. It could be how many hours per week. Because I know a lot of accountants, we do a lot of hours. So maybe punch it down and say, I want to work 5 days a week. And here's how many hours a week. Mark that down. Again, you can't manage what you don't measure. Yes, you can't manage what you don't measure. So mark this down. And then the last thing, just put down is your holidays. Okay, your holidays. How many weeks of holidays do you want for 2024? And here's the interesting thing. When I work with accounting firms, they don't think they have control over these, but you do. You have complete control over how much money you want to make, complete control over the clients you work with, the number and the quality, okay? And you have control over how much time you want. How many weeks, okay? How many days a week you want to work? Actually, I should put that down there, days a week, days per week, right? Days in your week, right? And how many weeks of holidays you want in the year. You actually have control of these things, but unfortunately for a lot of us, we've been brainwashed into thinking we don't, okay? And that's why I'm so passionate about giving the Accountant Success Formula to more accountants that I possibly can, again, which is why the Accountant Success Formula online program is now free. It's gonna be free, and it's free going forward, okay? Because I want you to be able to take back control of these. I want you to have these three freedoms, and I want you to be able to take them back for yourself. So in the course, it'll go into deep levels on how you can take back control of all three freedoms for yourself. 2024, I want it to be the best year possible for you. So go on, sign up. If it's not, the landing page should be up by now. I'm sure it is, but if not, email me, let me know, and I'll get you dialed in on that so that we can do the following. I'm Erik Solbakken, reminding you that when you take back control of your business model, you can take back control of your life. Stay tuned for more success tips to come.